Pisces, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is gratitude. Gratitude is an attitude. The smallest source of joy can put you in a joyful and gratified mode, sequence, or scene, or vibration. We are the magnets of the universe. The energy that we put out and we zone in on is what we make sure we manifest. Negative energy, tests and obstacles. No, we're over that. We need positive energy, gratitude, joy, which is going to magnify and make sure we expedite our blessings. Small source of joy can be a greatest source of gratitude. Being able to breathe, walk, talk, write our names, being able to do jumping jacks, be able to laugh at ourselves, a clumsy baby or clumsy dog. The small source of joy can be the greatest source of gratitude. I am aware of the light in my life. I direct my thoughts to the beauty in and around me. I give thanks to God for every little thing that brings me joy. Thus, I enlighten my thoughts. Riches surround me, and I appreciate all that life brings me. If you will praise and have gratitude in the dark with the bare minimum, because your needs are being met, Lord God, Spirit, Universe knows you're going to praise and give gratitude. Be thankful when they give you the huge mansion, beachfront, house, mansion blessing that's coming your way. So praise when you have little, because they know that you'll praise when you have a lot. And they'll be have an inclination they can't wait to expedite the journey of giving it to you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. Love you too.